everyone, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing really well. So what are we going to do in today's video? So in today's video, we are going to learn about a very interesting topic. And what is the topic? The topic is position words. Now you might be wondering what a position word is. So in simple terms, position words are words that tells us where something is. So basically it tells us where a particular object is, or rather where is the position of that particular object. So let us break this concept into simpler chunks using examples. So let us move forward. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to show you something. So I have two things with me today. So I hope it's visible. I have this box and I also have this toy rabbit. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this toy rabbit here and then I'm going to close the box. Okay, I'm going to close the box. Now I'm going to ask you something. Where is the rabbit? Can you tell me where is the rabbit now? Yes? Very good. So the rabbit is in the box. So when I'm keeping the rabbit inside and I'm closing the box, the rabbit is in the box. Very good. Now let me change the position of the rabbit, since we are learning position words for that matter. So I'm taking out the rabbit and then I'm closing the box. Okay. And then again I'm changing the position of the rabbit and I'm keeping it here on top. Okay. So now if I ask you, where is the rabbit? What are you going to tell me? Yes? Very good. The rabbit is on the box. So I took out the rabbit and then I kept the rabbit on the box. On top of the box, that means on the box. Now again, if I take this rabbit and I again change the position of the rabbit and I keep it here. So here is the box, here is the rabbit. So the box is on top. And again, if I ask you, where is the rabbit? Can you tell me, children, where is the position of the rabbit? The rabbit is? Very good. It is under the box. So the box is on top and the rabbit is here. So the rabbit is under the box. Very good. So these are the three basic position words: in, on and under. But apart from these three, we have other position words as well. And what are those? Let us learn. Now I'll be changing my object. So I have taken this block. I hope it's visible. This is a simple block. And here I have taken this box again. So what I'm going to do is, I will be positioning this block. So let me keep it here. Okay. So can you see? Let me keep it here. So the box is here and the block is here and the box is here. So what can we say now? Where is the block? The block is, very good, in front of the box. So the block is here and the box is at the back. So the block is in front of the box. Now again, if I change the position of this block and I keep it here. So the box is in front and the block is here. So what can we say? Where is the block? The block is, yes, behind the box. Very good. So the block is behind the box. Now if I again change the position of this block and I keep it here. Okay, next to the box. So here is the box, here is the block. So what can we say now? Where is the block? The block is, very good, the block is beside the box. So three position words we learned at this present moment: in front of, behind and beside. So here in front of the box is in front of the box. I'm sorry, the block is in front of the box. The block is behind the box and the block is beside the box. Very good. So what are the position words that we learned today? We learned in, on, under, 3 basic position words, and apart from the 3 basic position words, we also learned about behind, in front of and beside. I hope it's clear now. Yes. Now let's play a quick game. Okay. So are you ready for the game, children? Very good. So let us start. So now I'm going to ask you something and you have to go and tell me. You have to go and come back. Just take a look and then come back and tell me where the position of that particular object. Okay. So can you tell me, children, where is the position of your favorite toy at this very moment? Okay, so just quickly go and come back and you can write in the comment box that where is your favorite toy at this present moment, whether it is on, in, under, or whether it is beside, behind, in front of. Just write in the comment box. Okay, now children, let us sing a song. Though I'm a very bad singer, still I'll try to sing it for you. Okay, so, and one request, as I sing the song, what you need to do is you just need to repeat the song after me so that the concept becomes clearer. Okay, so let us start. In, on, under. Where can it be? Where can it be? In, on, under. Where can it be? Where can it be? Beside, behind, in front. Let us come and see. So beside, behind, in front. Let us come and see. Okay, so now you're going to write in the comment box where your favorite toy is at the present moment. So I hope today's video is helpful and you have learned, or the concept of position words is clear now, children. I hope this video is useful, and wait for the next video. I'll be uploading another very important grammatical concepts very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.